warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Siti Hajar akan membuat presentation case study 2, Cloud Computing DFN40253. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Amazon EC2. EC2 Introduction. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Amazon EC2 is a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It is designed to make web-scale computing easier for developers. Amazon EC2 simple web service interface allows you to obtain and configure capacity with minimal friction, like security and networking, and manage storage. It provides you with complete control of your computing resource and let you run on Amazon proven computing environment. Amazon EC2 reduce the time requirement to obtain and boot new server is 10 to minutes, allowing you to quickly scale capacity both up and down. As your computing requirement change, Amazon EC2 change the economy of computing by allowing you to pay only for capacity that you actually use. Amazon EC2 provide developer the tool to build failure resilient application isolate themselves common failure scenario. Various concept of EC2 in AWS. An Amazon EC2 instance is a virtual server in Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud for running application on the Amazon Web Service AWS infrastructure. AWS is a comprehensive evolving cloud computing platform. EC2 is a service. It can serve as a practically unlimited set of virtual machines. Amazon provides various types of instances with different configuration of CPU, memory storage, and networking resources to suit user needs. Each type is available in various sizes to address specific workload requirements. Then instance type have graphic processing unit. This instance provides a way to run graphic-intensive application faster than with the standard EC2 instance system that rely on GPU, include gaming and design work. Memory optimized. Use a high solid state drive to provide ultra fast access to data and deliver high performance. These instances are ideal for applications that require more memory and less CPU power, including open source database, real-time data analytics, and in-memory keys. General purpose. A general purpose instance is a VM that is designed to handle a variety of workloads. General purpose instead are optimized to have a high number of CPU core on demand storage and memory. Some common use cases for general purpose instance include web server hosting and software development testing. EC2 storage. An instance storage provides temporary block level storage for your instance. This storage is located on disks that are physically attached to the host computer. Instance storage is ideal for temporary storage of information that change frequently, such as buffer, cache, scratch data, and other temporary content, or for data that is replicated across a fleet of instances, such as a load balance pool of web server. An instance store consists of one or more instance store volume exposed as block device. The size of an instance store as well as the number of devices available varies by instance type. Then, limitation of EC2 instance storage. Instance storage volume can only be specified for an instance during its launch. User cannot add new storage volume as a later update to the same EC2. EC2 instance storage being a temporary storage service is not suitable for storing important or critical data. In case the EC2 increase associated with storing is stopped or terminate, all data on the storage is lost with no possible means for data recovery. Not all instance types in EC2 service support instance storage volume. Set up EC2 instance. First open the Amazon EC2 console at using link. Log in to your AWS account and go to the AWS server tab at the top left corner. Here we see all the AWS server categories as their area with compute storage data. This for creating an EC2 instance, we have to choose compute EC2 as in the next step. Delete EC2 on the top right corner of the EC2 dashboard. Choose the AWS region in which you want to provision a EC2 server. Choose launch instead once you have selected your desired region. Next, in step 1, choose an Amazon machine image AMI. Find Amazon Linux 2 AMI at the top of the list and choose select here. In the step 2, choose an instance type. Choose net configuration instance details here. In step 3, configure instance detail. Provide the following information. Leave number of instance at 1. Leave application option at the default setting. For network, choose the entry for the same VPC that you not when you create your EFS file system in step 1. Create your Amazon EFS file system. For subnet, choose a default subnet in any availability zone. For file system, make sure that the EFS file system that you create in step 1, create your Amazon EFS file system is selected. The path shown next the file system ID is the mount point the EC2 instance will use, which you can change. The user data automatically include the command for mounting your Amazon EFS file system. Add storage. Here, add storage. In the add storage tab, you will see the instance have been automatically provisioned a general purpose SSD volume of 8 GB. Here. You can change your volume size at new volume change the volume type. Next, choose net choose next add tag here, and then name your instance and choose net configure security group. Here. Configure security group. Set assign group to select an existing security group. Choose the default security group to make sure that it can access your EFS file system. Choose review and launch. Choose launch. Select the checkbox for the key pair that you create, and then choose launch instance. Select key pair. After that, here. Secure EC2 instance. Amazon EC2 offers several instance types to serve various operating systems, each with its own set of security capabilities and requirements. Each instance of EC2 is launched from Amazon machine image. An Amazon machine image AMI contains all of the information needed to launch an instance. When you launch an instance, you must specify an AMI. When you need multiple instances with the same configuration, you can launch them all from a single AMI. When you need instances with different configuration, you can launch them using different AMI. Secure EC2 instance. Secure your VPC. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud Amazon VPC is an Amazon Web Server as service feature that allow you can develop a logically isolated virtual network in which wish to provision your AWS resource, IP address, subnet, route, table, gateway, network, interface, endpoint, and other component make up a VPC. Know your security group. AWS offers two types of virtual firewall that you can use to control the inbound and outbound flow of network traffic in your environment. Network access control list, NACL, and security group are the two types of firewall. While NACL are important for securing communication with VPC because they control access to subnet in your cloud environment, security group are important for securing communication with EC2 instance. Make us of IAM rule. Use this default AWS credential for granting user, application, or service access to your instance at your own risk. Instead, use AWS Identity and Access Management IAM. Limit how much access user application and service have to your instance and other resources like storage. IAM is an AWS features that allow you to create user and group and assign them unique security credentials. IAM can also be used to create JSON format policies for performing various tasks on instance via the EC2 API. Protect your EC2 instance against malware. Make sure that any application or other executable code you install on your instance are from the reputable source. Ensure that your instance guest OS and installed application are fully patched and that newly released patch are applied in a timely manner. Next, explain EC2 cloud storage service in AWS. Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that stores data on the internet through a cloud computing provider who manage and operate data storage as a service. It delivers on demand with just-in-time capacity and cost and eliminates buying and managing your own data infrastructure. This gives you agility, global scale, and durability with anytime, anywhere data access. Next, how does cloud storage work? Cloud storage is purchased from a third-party cloud vendor who own and operate data storage capacity and deliver it over the internet in a pay-as-you-go model. This cloud storage vendor manage capacity, security, durability to make data accessible to your application all around the world. Application access cloud storage through traditional storage protocol and directly via an API. Storage protocol or directly via an API. Many vendors of complementary service design help collect, manage, secure, and analyze data at massive scale. Next is cloud storage requirement. Durability data should be redundantly stored identically across multiple facilities and multiple devices in each facility. Natural disaster, human or mechanical faults should not result in data loss. Next, availability. All data should be available when needed, but there is a difference between production data and archive. The ideal cloud storage will deliver the right balance of retrieval time and cost. Security. All data is ideally encrypted, but at rest in transit permission and access control should work just as well in the cloud as they do for the premise storage. Next is where to use cloud storage. Backup recovery. Backup and recovery is a critical part of ensuring data is protected and accessible, but keeping up with increased capacity requirement be a constant challenge. Cloud storage bring low cost, high durability, and extreme scale to backup and recovery solution. And blended data management policies like Amazon S3 Object Lifecycle Management can automatically migrate data to lower cost tier based on frequency or timing setting. An archival vault can be created to help comply with legal for regulatory requirement. Software test and development. Software test and development often requires separate, independent, and duplicate storage environment to be built out, managed, and decommissioned. In addition to the time required, the fast from capacity cost required can be extensive. Cloud data migration, cloud data migration service such as AWS import or export Snowball can simplify migrating storage into the cloud by addressing high network costs, long transfer time, and security concerns. For conclusion, easy to have flexible compute, next to want to augment capacity without growing your budget. Spot Instant can be a great way to optimize your AWS cost or with scale in mind by properly architecting your workload. You can take advantage of Spot Instant for a wide range of needs. That's all. Thank you.